Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to use the new Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This palette is so pretty. There are so many bright colors, but you still get neutrals, so there's a little bit of everything. And just in case you're quarantined right now, it's the perfect time to play around with brighter colors if that's something that you're not comfortable with. So this look is one that Jaclyn did that's on her packaging, but I kind of made it a little less dramatic as hers. I know it's still pretty bold, but I do like how it turned out, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. So here is what the palette looks like. I think it is so pretty and I love how many different colors there are. So I started off using the shade Perfectionist, but I changed my mind and decided to use Positivity. So that is what I am using for my transition shade, just building the color until it's as dark as I want, and then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush to go over and make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with a shade called Heart On. This is going in my crease, and if you want this look to have a more cat eye appearance like in Jaclyn's look, you can always add some tape to the outer corner and just drag the eyeshadow out more, kind of make it look like a V in the outer corner. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make it a little less dramatic, even though it is still pretty bold. Here's the look that I'm talking about. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see it that well, but this is the picture on the back of her palette box. Taking that same shadow, I'm going to buff it along my lower lash line, going a little bit lower than I normally do because I am going to go in with a different shadow and tightline my lower lash line as well. For my lid, I'm using the shade called Living My Best Life and just applying this all over. Next, I'm taking this flat shadow brush and I'm going to tightline my upper and lower lash line using the shade Temptress. And what I mean by tightline is I'm just going as close to my lashes as I can, just like I would an eyeliner, but instead I'm using eyeshadow. I went a little bit lower than I meant to with the black, so now I'm just going back in with a shade Heart On and just adding a little bit more to really make the red stand out. Next, I'm finishing up the eyes with my all-time favorite mascara, which is Man Eater by Tarte. I love this mascara because it really gets in there and separates your lashes and it doesn't get clumpy or flaky. And for lips, I'm using the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Truffle. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it, and I just want to encourage y'all to use this time to play around with makeup looks that you wouldn't normally do. If there's one you've been wanting to try but you've been too nervous, don't really know how it's going to turn out, just try it. Makeup is supposed to be fun, and this will give you something different to do, and it washes off. So have fun with it. Let me know if you try this look, and be sure to tag me if you do post it anywhere. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make a new video every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.